Yes, good night. Welcome to Global Watch Media. I just want to say congratulations to the Jamaican woman team and making it to the round of 16.
Yes, fam.
Yes, my brother. That is beautiful. It's good for the region and good for the future of women's soccer within the Caribbean. Shout out to Haiti. You know, there was a good tournament for too. And Panama, man, what a goal that girl scored, man. That number 10. That free kick was something special. Even though we end up losing 6-3, it was a good game, Panama. And congratulations to all of the side them who made it from that region, including the US.